This video shows how to set up your stationary bike generator. The first thing you should do is lay out all the hardware and tools. You should have 7 bolts, 7 washers, 7 lock washers, 3 metal back plates, 1 generator box, and 1 electronics box. You should use a 6mm socket wrench to tighten the bolts when attaching the equipment to the bike frame. Beginning the installation starts by attaching the larger squared back plate to the generator box. Use 2 bolts and loosely screw them in furthest from the drive roller. You then slide the bike frame between the generator box and the back plate. You will need to screw in the 3rd bolt to the generator box on the inside of the frame. As you hand tighten these bolts, make sure it is secure and level. Use the 6mm socket wrench to secure the generator box. Be sure to press down on the top of the box as to make a firm connection between the drive rollers to the bike's flywheel. Here is a view from a different angle. Be sure you test this after you finish by slowly spinning the flywheel and visually inspect the drive roller as it spins. Now that the hard part is done, you will connect the electronics box to the bike frame. Connect one of the small back plates to the electronics box with the 6mm hex bolt. Use the top outside connection hole so that you can slide this electronics box on the frame similar to the generator box. Because this box is not dependent on connection to the flywheel, you may place it anywhere below the generator box. After you tighten the top back plate, you will be able to easily attach the bottom back plate. With both hex bolts hand tightened, go back over all 4 bolts with the socket wrench, fastening the electronics box to the frame. Here is a view from a different angle. With both parts attached, it is time to connect them together with the twist lock cable included in the package. This cable is studded and notched so that it will fit only one way. Simply align the grooves, insert, and twist for a secure connection. The cable is bi-directional and can be connected using either end. We will now explain the porting options on this stationary bike generator. You will have a toggle switch allowing you to charge batteries or utilize 12-volt and 110-volt AC accessories. With the AC option selected, you can plug in 12-volt items and run a wide option of travel appliances. Also, with the toggle switch set to the AC setting, you can run items that you normally plug into the wall. These items will stay on until you pedal below the operating threshold or stop. When you change the toggle switch to the battery setting, you can safely charge your battery system without overcharging and damaging your batteries. This option comes with a second twist lock cable with a 12-volt power socket input. For this, you insert the twist lock into the appropriate port on the electronics box. You then connect the 12-volt male-to-male cable supplied with your battery system into the 12-volt power socket input. Finally, connect the other end to your battery input and you are ready to ride. When charging batteries, there is a range in which the voltage must stay between. For this, we have installed an overvoltage warning light. The system will not be damaged if you see this warning light and hear the buzzer. It simply means that you are no longer feeding charge into the battery and must slow down. The simplest way to keep this warning light from activating is pedaling at a moderate, even pace.